So, you're a product designer or engineer, working hard in a prototyping lab in the automotive industry. Not long ago, this was your prototype. But then along came something revolutionary: 3D printing. Suddenly, creativity soared. Designs could be more complex, and prototypes looked like the real thing. Well, almost. You were thrilled, your customers were thrilled, life couldn't get any better. Or could it? Today, there's more pressure to make even better products and get them to market even faster. So you need a prototyping tool that makes things easier, makes things quicker, makes things smarter, and makes things possible. Something that turns this into this. For advanced automotive designs like lighting lens covers that look virtually identical to the real thing, and luxury elements like wood and leather wrapping for panels and parts. Functional testing of rubber-like parts, gaskets, and door seals. Redesigned from the ground up, the Stratasys J750 makes perfect prototypes a reality. Multi-material, multi-texture printing. Accuracy and quality every time. All this for a fraction of the cost. 5 to 10 times less cost per prototype. So make jaws drop, make minds boggle, and make your best even better. Make it with the Stratasys J750.